In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove attendee from Outlook meeting. We'll do this right from the Outlook app on your phone, and I'll walk you through what each screen means so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening the Outlook app on your mobile device. From the bottom of the screen, tap Calendar. This switches you from Mail to your schedule where you can see all your events. Find the meeting you want to edit and tap it to open its details. If you see a quick preview, tap the meeting again to open the full meeting view so you can make changes. In the meeting view, look for the pencil icon in the top right. That's the edit button. Tap it to enter edit mode. If the meeting repeats, Outlook may ask whether you want to edit just this occurrence or the whole series. Choose the option that matches your intent so you only change what you mean to change. Next, tap People, sometimes labeled attendees or participants, to open the list of invitees. Here you'll see everyone currently invited. To remove someone, place your cursor in the attendee field and erase that person from the list. Depending on your device, you might tap a small remove or X icon next to their name or simply backspace their entry. Make sure you only remove the correct person and leave everyone else as is. When you're done, tap the check mark to confirm the people list. This takes you back to the main meeting editor. Review the details briefly to ensure everything looks right. Then tap the main check mark again to save your changes. Outlook may prompt you to send an update. Choose the option that sends updates to affected attendees so the removed person is notified and others aren't spammed unnecessarily. If you're the organizer, the change will save and an update will go out. If you're not the organizer, you may not see the people option or you won't be able to save attendee changes. After saving, return to the calendar and give it a moment to sync. If you don't see the change immediately, pull down to refresh. The removed attendee will no longer appear in the attendee list and they'll receive a cancellation notice for this meeting. That's it. Open Outlook, go to Calendar, open your meeting, edit with the pencil icon, open People, erase the attendee, and confirm with the check marks to save. This quick sequence keeps your meeting list accurate and your attendees up to date without needing a computer.